So brothers and sisters, I wrote down for you on the board all the pronouns. I only meant to do third person today, but since you all know, I have written it all. Huh? Look at it carefully, brothers and sisters. Al-Ghaib, which is third person. Masculine, Al-Muzakkar. Okay? Right now, if you say masculine, it is good enough. Slowly, slowly, you'll get to say Muzakkar also. Huwa, huma, hum. Please use your finger. It's nice way of doing it for a few days. Huh? Use your finger. Huwa, huma, hum. And then, second finger, hiya, huma, hunna. And then we come to al-mukhatab, which is feminine, masculine, al-muzakkar, and al-muannas, and that is anta. See, the hamza of anta is hamzatul qata. I put a little neck of hamza on it. It is most important. Okay? If you don't put a fatha, it's okay. But neck is important. It's like putting a dot. Neck. Antuma, antum. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? And then anti, antuma, antunna. And then we come to al-mutakallim. Are you with me, brother? Al-mutakallim, the one who speaks. Okay? And that is first person. And in that mutakallim, first person, both muzakkar and muannas are same. Right now in this lesson, Dr. Sahib, Dr. Abdur Rahim uses only huwa, hiya. He goes very slowly. Huh? The pronouns will come slowly. But I thought we can just practice them every day so that you can become stronger. Okay? One more time, I'll sing for you, brothers and sisters, because I believe this is a nice way of strengthening your understanding and memorization, brother. Huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna, huwa huma hun, hiya huma hunna, anta antum antum, anta antum antum, anti antum antunna, anti antum antunna, ana nahnu, ana nahnu. I need a tabla now. Okay. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. So that was about the pronouns. And what kind of pronouns they are? Damirun munfasilun. What are they? Damirun munfasilun. See, say 3 times with me. Munfasilun. 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 What is the meaning of munfasilun? Detached. On their own, detached. And remember, brothers and sisters, they are marfu. What are they? Marfu. They are marfu. Okay? You will remember them. They'll come as a mubtada, inshallah. Now we come to Ad-Darsul Rabi', lesson number 4, in the main book. Brothers and sisters, we come to the Darsul Rabi' in the main book. Look at the first word, brother. Al-Baytu. Al-Baytu. What do you see, Al-Baytu? It's singular. Right now, the sentence is not given. So it's just a noun, but it is definite. So how will you now translate it? The house. The house. And what is next, brother? Fil bayti. Brother, from baytu you made it bayti. Why? See, from marfu You made it into majroor. There has to be a reason. How could you do it? Huh? The reason is that before the noun, preposition came. Sister Fatima, al-baytu, remember tu, marfu, and now you are saying fil bayti, ti. Why? Because preposition came. What is it? Preposition. What is called preposition in Arabic? Harfu jarrin. Yani particle that pulls down. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? I'll write down here for you preposition. Means, brother and sister, harfu jarrin, particle of pulling down. What did it do? From tu, it pulled it down to ti. Who did that? Sister Abi, did you do it? I didn't do it. Somebody did it. Pull it down, and that was harf jar. So, brothers and sisters, this is our start of learning the majroor form. Are you with me? So far we were only marfu. Now we will be majroor. We'll be doing majroor. So I will say to you one thing, and you will always reply me this way. Are you with me? Are everybody looking at me and listening? If I say to you harfu jar, you'll reply to me ism majroor. What will you tell me? Means ism became majroor. It became din. It got a kasra. Are you with me? It's like salutation. If I say assalamu alaikum, you say wa alaikum salam. If I say to you ism, if I say to you harf jar, your reply will be ism majroor. Are you with me? In the middle of the class, I will suddenly say harf jar. You will have to say ism majroor. But if I tell you salamu alaikum, what will you say? And if I tell you harf jar, you will tell me ism majroor. That way you will remember. Brother, you will never make a mistake in reading Qur'an. Because you will know it's a harf jar and the ism has to be majroor. There is no if and but. That harf jar will pull the noun and make it into majroor. Are you with me? So we are learning here four harf jar we will learn in lesson number 4. But right now only 2 are coming. What is fi? In. And the next one is ala. What is on? Are you with me? Okay, fine, brother. Al-maktabu al-maktabi. See, al-maktabu became maktabi. And I ask you why? Because of harf jar. Harf jar, pull it down. Al-masjidu fil masjidi. Okay, du became di. As-sariru alas-sariri. See, Brother Farooq, how I am pronouncing? As-sariru alas-sariri. It's a shadda. Alas-sariri. I did not pronounce the alas-sariri. I did not pronounce alif. I did not pronounce lam. And in as-sariru, I only pronounce hamza. And I did not pronounce the lam. But if I say alas-sariri, I did not pronounce hamza. I did not pronounce the lam. You get to get into practice. Okay, brother? Now I will tell you something else. Slowly. Brother, did I tell you? Did we learn, brothers and sisters, that mubtada is always marfu. And khabar is always marfu. Now we go one step forward. Khabar is only marfu if it is one word. What did I say, brother? Khabar is only marfu if it is one word. Huh? And there are different kinds of khabar. What are they? Are you with me, brother? Because this is an intensive course, I tell you many things that I would not normally wouldn't tell, but because we are meeting every day, and every day I'm going to repeat it, and inshallah you will understand it and retain in your mind. So khabar, there are about 5 kinds of khabar. It will come slowly, slowly, and when they come, I will be pointing out to you. Brother, the first form of khabar is, if it is one word, it is marfu. What is the second form of khabar? Second form of khabar is that instead of one word, it has got preposition followed by ism majroor. Okay, brothers and sisters? Now, I want you to write something on your book. Huh? You make a note of it. Huh? Right there. Okay. If you see fil bayti, brother and sisters, what is fi? That I know. Preposition. You can say for the time being preposition. Later on you will say harf jar. What will you say? Harf jar. Huh? If it is harf jar, then the ism has to be majroor. Remember, harf jar, ism majroor. But you got to, if I shout at you, you will shout back at me. Harf jar, ism majroor. You will shout back at me. Harf jar, ism majroor. Okay, so here we have fi as a harf jar followed by ism majroor. Are you with me? This is ism majroor. Okay, together we have a short name. Together we call it jarun wa majroorun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Jarun wa majroorun. Inshallah, in 2-3 days, you'll get used to it. So what? If I say fil bayti, I can say fi harf jar, al bayti ism majroor. If I say fil bayti, in short, you can say to me, jarun wa majroorun. What is the meaning of jarun wa majroorun? It means there is a harf jar followed by ism majroor. So you will say jarun wa majroorun. Are you with me? Fine. I know this is quite a bit that I am telling you. But because I will be telling you every day, and inshallah you will understand. Today, if you do not understand 100%, I have always told you, don't worry. It's normal. It will come to us slowly, slowly. Okay. Now I go back to you one more time, brother. Sentence. What is sentence? A group of words which make complete sense. What is phrase? It's a group of words, but it does not give you complete sense. Are you with me, brother? If I tell you, fil bayti, translate, in the house. Is it a sentence? No. What is it? Phrase. What do you call phrase in Arabic? A beautiful thing that you call in Arabic. Are you ready to write down? Can you read, brother and sisters? Sister Salma, can you read? Shibhu jumla. What did I say? Shibhu Jumla. Okay, now Jumla is a sentence. What is the meaning of Shibhu Jumla? Huh? Brother Samad? No. Shibhu means something looks like Jumla, but it is not a Jumla. Are you with me? Shibhu means it looks similar, but then it is not. It's not a Jumla. It's a Shibhu Jumla. It looks like a Jumla. Huh? It is similar to Jumla, but it is not Jumla. What do you call Shibhu Jumla in English? Phrase. What do you call phrase in Arabic? Shibhu Jumla. What do you call Shibhu Jumla in English? Phrase. What do you call phrase in Arabic? Shibhu Jumla. So inshallah, slowly, we will master it. But this is quite a bit. It's not in the book. But I found that if I understand this gradually, then when I go in a deeper water, I'm comfortable. I know how to swim.